invasive species have invaded Florida, damaging native plant communities, fish, and wildlife habitat, and the fragile ecosystems they and we depend upon. What do these invaders look like? What damage do they do? What is being done to control them? To begin, we need to define what an invasive species is.
The way we think about invasive species is we think of them as biological pollution. An invasive species is an introduced species that causes either economic or environmental harm or harm to human health.
For instance, if invasive aquatic plants are allowed to take over a water body, they can make it unusable for boaters, displace native plant communities, harm fish and wildlife populations, and clog flood control structures. But plants aren't the only problem facing the region.
The number one invasive animal on district lands is the feral hog. The feral hog is very problematic because it likes to root up the soils, could lead to water quality issues as well as erosion.
Since the Spanish explorers first brought hogs as a food source, there has been an ever-growing problem with these four-legged invaders. Feral hogs now number in the hundreds of thousands in Florida. They prey on native wildlife, compete with native species for food, and transmit diseases to other wildlife, livestock, and humans.
Feral hogs disturb natural systems as well as our levees and water control structures. The district manages the feral hog population on the lands we're responsible for, utilizing hunting as well as trapping.
By limiting these invaders' impacts on district conservation lands, the district is protecting natural systems and our water resources. For more information on invasive species, visit watermatters.org/invasive species.